In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website to Safari. This process is straightforward and can be done in a few different ways. You can bookmark a website, add it to your favorites, or create a shortcut on your home screen. Each method serves a different purpose, and knowing these options can help you access your favorite websites more efficiently. To begin, open the Safari app on your iPhone. On your screen, you'll see the familiar Safari interface, complete with the address bar at the top. This is where you'll enter the website you want to save. If you already know the website, type its address in the bar and press go. If not, you can use your preferred search engine to find it. Once you have the site loaded, you're ready to move on to the next step. This is important because having the correct website open is essential for saving it. Next, navigate to the website you want to save. Take a moment to ensure that you are on the exact page you wish to bookmark. This is important because saving the wrong page can lead to confusion later. You will see the content of the website displayed fully on your screen. Once you are satisfied, look for the Share button. It appears as a square with an upward arrow in the bottom center of the screen. Tapping this button will open a menu of options related to sharing the website. After tapping the Share button, locate and select the Add to Favorites option from the menu. This action allows you to save the website for quick access later. You may see a prompt that allows you to edit the website name. If you wish to personalize it or make it easier to remember, feel free to do so. Once you've finished editing, tap Save. The website will now be saved in the Favorites section on Safari's Start page. This makes finding your favorite sites much quicker and more convenient. Now let's move on to the next option, bookmarking the website. Start by opening Safari and visiting the website you want to bookmark. If you are still on the same site from the last step, you can skip to the next action. Otherwise, ensure you have the website loaded and visible on your screen. Once you're ready, tap the Share button again. This will bring up the same menu as before, providing you with various sharing options. From the Share menu, select Add Bookmark. This option allows you to save the website to your bookmarks list, which can be organized into folders for better management. You will then be prompted to choose where to save the bookmark. You can select the default location or create a new folder if you prefer. After making your selection, tap Save. This ensures that your bookmark is stored securely and can be accessed anytime you need it. Next, let's look at how to add a website directly to your home screen. Start by opening Safari and navigating again to the website you wish to save. Once the page is loaded, tap the Share button one more time. This time, scroll down the list of options until you find Add to Home Screen. Selecting this option will allow you to create an app-like shortcut on your home screen. In the following prompt, you can edit the shortcut name if desired. This is especially useful if you want a specific name that reflects the website's content. After making any changes, tap Add. A shortcut icon for the website will now appear on your home screen. You can tap this icon and it will launch the site directly, providing a quick way to access your favorite online destinations. Remember, favorites will appear on Safari's Start page for easy access. Bookmarks are stored in a list that can be organized, while home screen shortcuts are specific to the device where you created them. This means they won't automatically transfer to other Apple devices. Knowing these options will help streamline your browsing experience.